my dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous class, we discussed about some question based on volumes. Today also we'll continue with some more questions. Okay. So the first question is written: a sphere of diameter 6 centimeter is dropped in a right circular cylindrical vessel partly filled with water. So first understand the meaning of this one. Okay. So a cylindrical vessel is there. In a cylindrical vessel already some water is there in the cylinder. Okay. Some water is there in the cylinder. So in this cylindrical vessel, if you will pour a sphere, okay. So if you will drop a sphere, so obviously water level will rise, correct? And suppose the water level rises from here to here, correct? So this is the rise in the water level. So we know how much is the volume of this sphere, that much water level will rise in the cylinder. So now just to check what is the mistake here students are doing. They are adding these two heights. Addition we don't have to do. What will be? Volume of the sphere will be equal to the volume of rise in the water level. So you can check here the water level, when it will rise in the form of a cylinder only, correct? So this is the concept which we are going to use here. So now directly we will write here. Question is complete. By how much will the level of water rise in the cylindrical vessel? So just write down there. Volume of water rise. Volume of water rise will be equal to volume of sphere. Clear? Volume of water rise. This much volume is raised here. So that will be equal to the volume of sphere. So volume of water rise also it will be in the form of a cylinder only. And what is the radius of the cylindrical vessel? Diameter is given 12 centimeters. So radius will be equal to 6 centimeters. So we'll write down there pi into 6 into 6 into h. That rise we are calculating there equal to volume of sphere, and sphere is of diameter 6 centimeter. So radius will be equal to 3 centimeter, and formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So that will be equal to 3 into 3 into 3. Now except h, rest all the things we will shift to right hand side. 1 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Remaining is 4 pi into 3 into 3 by pi into 6 into 6. Pi and pi will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are again 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 2, and 2 also will get cancelled. We will get h is equal to 1 centimeter. So in a cylindrical vessel where already water is there and you drop a sphere, then it will rise up to a height of 1 meter there. Okay, so I think this question is clear. Okay, now next question is, in question number 2 it is written a sphere of diameter 12 centimeter. If you want you can write down here, sphere radius is equal to 6 centimeter. A sphere of diameter 12 centimeter is dropped into a right circular cylindrical vessel partly filled with water. If the sphere is completely submerged in the water, means when it completely emerged in the water level in the vessel rises by. So rise in the water level. Rise in the water level. Rise in the water level is equal to how much is given? 3 5 by 9 centimeter. 3 5 by 9 centimeter. So it will be equal to 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 5 will be equal to 32 by 9 centimeter. Find the diameter of the cylindrical vessel. Diameter we have to calculate. So again a cylindrical vessel was there. The cylindrical vessel is already filled with water there. So when you dropped the sphere, then what happened there? Water level rises there. And that rise in the water level is given 32 by 9 centimeter. So again volume of water rise in the water level will be equal to in the form of a cylinder. So again write down there volume of water rise is equal to volume of sphere. So volume of water rise will be equal to pi into radius. We don't know, that we have to calculate. So pi into r square into 32 by 9 is equal to volume of sphere. So that will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Radius is given 6. So it will be equal to 6 into 6 into 6. So except r square, rest all the things we can shift to right hand side. So what will come here? 4 pi into 6 into 6 into 6 by this 3 is already there, this 9 will go to numerator, and then pi and 32 will come in denominator. Pi and 32 in denominator. Now we will cancel the terms. Pi and pi will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Here what will come? 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then again 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So what we are getting here? R square is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So we are getting R square is equal to 81. Then R will be equal to 9 centimeter. And what is asked in the question? The diameter of the cylindrical vessel. So you can write down there, diameter will be equal to 18 centimeter. At last write down the answer statement. Diameter of the cylindrical vessel is 18 centimeter. I hope this question is clear. Okay, now we'll do the next question. In the next question it is written, a glass cylinder with diameter 20 centimeter has water to a height of 9 centimeter. So just to check here, a glass cylinder is there. A glass cylinder is there with diameter 20 centimeter, means radius is equal to 10 centimeter, has water to a height of 9 centimeter. Water is there up to a height of 9 centimeter. A metal cube of 8 centimeter edge. Now what we are doing? We are pouring a metal cube here. We are dropping a metal cube of 8 centimeter edge is immersed in it completely. Calculate the height by which water will rise in the cylinder. So obviously how much water will rise? What will be the volume of the metal cube? Correct? So directly write down there. Volume of rise in the water level. Volume of rise in the water level. In the water level equal to volume of cube. Don't add the two heights there. Okay. Volume of cube. So our water level in the form of a cylinder only. So pi into, what is the radius given? 10. So 10 into 10 into height. Height we have to calculate is equal to, rest everything given in centimeter only. Then equal to volume of cube. Volume of cube is, yes, a cube. And what is the side given? 8. So 8 into 8 into 8. So except height, rest all the things we can shift there. So it will be equal to 8 into 8 into 8. Here pi, if we will write 22 by 7, then 7 will go here. So 7 by 22 into 10 into 10. Now if cancellation is possible, you can cancel it. 2 ones are 2 ones are, 2 fours are 8 here. 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So remaining it will be equal to 8 into 8 into 7 by 11 into 5 into 5 will be equal to 25. Now I think remaining calculations you can do by yourself. Okay. Now we'll check the next question. Question number 4. In question number 4 it is written, a cylindrical pipe has inner diameter 7 centimeter. So just to check here, now the question is, a cylindrical pipe has inner diameter 7 centimeter. So inner radius will be equal to 7 by 2. And water flows through it at the rate of 192.5 liter per minute. So water flows is at the rate of 192.5 liter per minute. So you can check here, this liter is the unit of volume there. So in 1 hour, in 1 minute, volume, whatever water will be there, that is 192.5 liter. Find the rate of flow in kilometer per hour. Rate of flow means how much water will flow through the pipe in 1 hour. That we have to calculate there. So water is flowing means water will flow from here till here only. So in case of cylinder, what is this distance called? Height, correct? So we have to find the height of the cylinder. So before doing the question, first you should know the conversion of unit. So just write down there, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube, and 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So to convert liter into centimeter cube, you have to divide it by 1000, and to convert centimeter cube into liter, to convert 1 liter into centimeter cube, you have to multiply it by 1000, and if you have to do the opposite, you have to divide. So rest everything we will do according to the question there. And what is written? A cylindrical pipe has inner diameter 7 centimeter. Okay, so 7 centimeter is there. So that liter also can be converted into centimeter. So that is the volume in 1 minute. Correct? That is the volume in 1 minute. Volume in 1 minute is 192.5 liter, converting into centimeter cube. So that will be equal to 195 into 1000 centimeter cube. So it will be equal to 1925, then 3 zeros you can write, and then put a decimal. So it will come here, point here. So 1000, 10,000, 1,92,500 centimeter cube. This is the volume in 1 minute. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the rate of flow in kilometer per hour. So first we can calculate the volume in 1 hour. This is the volume in 1 minute. Okay. So volume in 1 hour. Volume in 1 minute is equal to this much. Now we have to calculate the volume in 1 hour. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. So therefore volume in 60 minutes will be equal to 60 into this expression. Correct? 60 into this much. Now in the same way we'll calculate now what will be the volume there. This is the volume which is given in the question. According to the formula, what will come? So volume of cylindrical pipe is equal to, what will come? Pi r square h. So that will be equal to pi into, what is the radius given? Radius is 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height. Height only we have to calculate. Is equal to, we got here 60 into 1,92,500. Now except h, rest all the things we can shift to right hand side. And before shifting pi also we will take it as 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7. So 1 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So height is equal to 60 into 1,92,500 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 22 into 7. Now just to check if cancellation is possible, you can cancel it. 11 2s are 22. 11 1s are 11. So 9 minus 1 will be equal to 8 there. Then what will come? 11 7s are 77. 12 minus 7 will be equal to 5. So 11 5s are, and then remaining 2 zeros. Now just to check, here we can cancel it by 7. It will be equal to 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are 35. 2 zeros there. Then here 2 and 2 also will get cancelled. So what is remaining here? 60 into 2,500 into 2. Here at present it is centimeter. So now to convert to centimeter, first if you want you can multiply there. 60 into 25 into 2 will be equal to 50, and then 2 zeros. Then it will be equal to 1 2 3 4 6 5s are 30 centimeter. But we have to find the rate of flow in kilometer per hour. So this is the height in 1 hour, correct? Height in 1 hour is equal to this much. So now if we have to convert into kilometer, so what will come here? How many zeros are there? Okay, then by. First, to convert centimeter into meter, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 100. And then to convert meter into kilometer, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So again we need 3 zeros there. So just to check, 1, 2, all these zeros will get cancelled. We will get here 3 kilometer. So this is the distance covered by the water in 1 hour, correct? So distance covered by the water, as you are saying, distance covered by a vehicle in 1 hour is equal to 3 kilometer, means it is traveling at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. So in the same way, rate of flow is 3 kilometer per hour. So I think this question is clear to you. Okay, now we'll do some more questions of this type only. In question number 5, it is written, water is being pumped out through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 7 centimeter. So circular pipe, internal diameter is given. So just write down there, for pipe, radius is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Now if the flow of water is 72 centimeter per second, flow of water is 72 centimeter per second, means distance covered by the water in 1 second. So if it is a pipe here, distance covered by the water in 1 second is equal to 72 centimeter. So distance covered by the water in 1 second, 72 centimeter, means that is the height of the cylinder. So just write down there, height in 1 second is equal to how much is given? 72 centimeter. How many liters of water are being pumped out in 1 hour? So we have to calculate volume in 1 hour. What will be the volume in 1 hour? That we will calculate there. Okay. So first one, we can calculate the volume in 1 second, because distance covered in 1 second is given there. Okay. So just write down there, volume in 1 hour is equal, volume in 1 second is equal to, volume in 1 second is equal to, 1 second is equal to, it is flowing through the pipe and the shape of pipe is in the shape of a cylinder. So formula will be equal to pi r square h. What is the radius given? 7. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height. So that is equal to 72. Correct. This is the volume in 1 second. Now just to check here, we can substitute 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 72. Here 7 and 7 will get cancelled. Here it will be equal to 11, and here we can cancel 2 3s are. Now it will be equal to 11 into 36 into 7 we can do. So 7 6 are 42, carry over 4, 7 3s are 21, plus 4 will be equal to 252. So 11 2s are 22, carry over 2, 11 5s are 55, plus 2 will be equal to 57, carry over 5. 11 2s are 22, plus 5 will be equal to 27. This is the volume in 1 second, and that is also centimeter cube. What we have to calculate? Volume of water in 1 hour. Okay. So in 1 second this much. So 1 hour means how much it will be equal to, how many seconds will be there in 1 hour? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So it will be equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So just write down there, volume in 1 hour is equal to, what we will do, we will multiply it by 60 into 60. So we will get here 2772 into 60 into 60 centimeter cube. But in the question it is asked how many liters of water. So we have to find the volume in liters there. So we know 1 liter is equal to how much? 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So from here 1 centimeter cube will be equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So to convert into liter, what we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000. So that we can divide here. 2772 into 60 by 1000. So just to check if cancellation is possible, you can cancel it. Here it will be equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So remaining we are getting here 2772 into 18 by 5 liter. So I think remaining calculations you can do by yourself. Okay. Now next question is, water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour. Water is flowing at the rate of 3 km per hour through a circular pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeters. So first just check here, for the pipe, what is the information given? Radius is equal to 10 centimeter, correct? Radius is equal to 10 centimeter and height is given, is flowing at the rate of, so height you can write here 3 kilometer per hour. So that is the distance covered in 1 hour. Okay. Internal diameter into a circular system. Circular system means circular tank. So circular tank will be in the form of a cylinder, correct, of diameter 10 meter and depth 2 meter. So for cylindrical tank, radius is equal to, radius is given, diameter is 10 meter. So radius will be equal to 5 meter. Here only we can convert into centimeter, 500 centimeter. And depth 2 meter. Height is equal to 2 meter. So that will be equal to 200 centimeter. In how much time will the tank be filled? So again, from the pipe we are pouring the water into a cylindrical tank there. So time taken will be equal to volume of cylindrical tank by volume of pipe there. So here this height is 3 km per hour, means distance covered in 1 hour is equal to height in 1 hour is equal to 3 km. And since everything we wrote in centimeter, this one also we can convert into centimeter. 3 km. So first to convert into meter. So 3 into 1000. Now convert into centimeter. So that will be equal to 100. Correct? So now directly write down there. Time taken is equal to volume of cylindrical tank divided by volume of pipe Just substitute the value, volume of cylindrical tank, pi r square. What is the radius given? 500. So 500 into 500 into height is given here 200 by volume of pipe. So that is equal to, radius is equal to 10 centimeters. So pi into 10 into 10 into height, that we got here 3 into 1000 into 100. Now just to do the cancellation, pi and pi will get cancelled. 2 zeros cancelled here. Then here also 1, 2. So 1, 2 zeros cancelled. Then here 1, 2. So 1, 2 zeros cancelled. Remaining is what here? 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are. Then here it will be equal to 2 and 2 also will get cancelled. Remaining what is coming here? 5 by 3. Correct? That is 5 by 3 r. 5 by 3 r. So if you have to convert into minutes, what we have to do? Yes, 5 by 3 into 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So it will be equal to 3 twos are. So we will get here 100 minutes. Okay, so if you want, you can write the answer in fraction, then also no problem. If you don't want to write your answer in fraction, then you can convert into minutes. So I hope this question is clear. Okay, so just imagine there, because when water is flowing, that concept sometimes it will create confusion there. So just remember there, if water is flowing at the rate of whatever we are saying, means that is the distance covered in 1 hour. That much only we are meaning with that. Okay, then next question number 7, it is written, water is flowing at the rate of 7 meter per second through a circular pipe whose internal diameter is 2 centimeters. So again we can write for the pipe, radius is equal to 2 centimeter. Radius, internal diameter. So radius is equal to 1 centimeter and it is flowing at the rate of 7 meter per second. Means length in 1 second is equal to 7 meter. Length in 1 second is equal to 7 meter. So which will be equal to 700 centimeter. Whose internal diameter, now what, whose internal diameter into a cylindrical tank, the radius of whose base is 40 centimeters. So for the cylindrical tank or for the cylinder, base radius is given 40 centimeter. Base radius is equal to 40 centimeter. Find the increase in the water level in half an hour. How we will do this question? Here it is given from the pipe, water is flowing to a cylinder there, and in half an hour how much, what will be the rise in the cylinder there? So what will be the rise? Yes, correct. Whatever amount of water flows through this pipe in half an hour will be equal to the volume of this cylindrical tank. Clear? Once again I am saying, whatever volume of water flowing through the pipe in half an hour. Okay, volume of water flows through the pipe in half an hour will be equal to the volume of cylindrical tank. That concept we are going to use here. Okay, so now here this is the length given in 1 second. So first we can calculate the volume of pipe in half an hour, what it will be. So first write down, for that first we have to need volume in 1 second. So just write down there, volume of water flows through the pipe, volume of water flows through the pipe in 1 second, flows through the pipe in 1 second is equal to, we know the formula is pi r square h. What is the radius? 1. So pi into 1 into 700. This is the water flows through in 1 second. Now here time is given half an hour. Half an hour means how much it will be equal to? Yes, half an hour, 30 minutes. 30 minutes to convert into seconds. So what will come? So that will be equal to 30 into 60. So just write down there, volume of water in half an hour. Half an hour is equal to, inside the bracket you can write, that is 30 minutes, and to convert into seconds what we will do? 30 into 60 seconds. So volume of water in half an hour is equal to pi into 700 into 30 into 60. So how much water flows through the pipe in half an hour? That much water is where it is going? It is going in the cylinder. So now we will write down here, volume of water from the pipe in half an hour, if half an hour is equal to volume of cylinder, is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of water that we wrote here, that is pi into 700 into 30 into 60 is equal to volume of cylinder. Radius is given here 40. So that is equal to pi into 40 into 40 into height we have to calculate there. So except height, rest all the things we can shift to left hand side. So just to check what will come. So here it will be equal to pi into 700 into 30 into 60 by pi into 40 into 40 into 40 into 40 is equal to height there. So pi and pi will get cancelled there. 2 zeros will get cancelled here. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Then what will get cancelled here? Yes, here. 2 3s are 6. So here it will be equal to 350. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 5s are. So I think remaining is 175 into 3 by 2. 3 by 2 will be equal to 1.5. So 175 into 1.5 is equal to height. So just to do the multiplication and write down the answer in centimeter. Okay. Now next question is, water in a canal 30 decimeter wide. Okay. So now first, before doing the question, you should know how to convert the units there. So for that, I am just giving you the order of the unit. First, the smallest is millimeter, then we have centimeter, then we have decimeter, meter, then we have decameter, then we have hectometer, and at last we have kilometer here. So now here, if you have, when you are converting the unit and if you are going down, then what you have to do, you have to divide, and if you are going up, then you have to multiply. Like if you have to convert kilometer into meter, then what will come, just to check there, kilometer into meter means we are going up. How many times up we are going? 1, 2, 3 steps up there. So 1 kilometer is equal to, just write 1 and put 3 zeros. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So in the same way, when you will go down, then you have to divide. Okay. Now here it is written, water in a canal 30 decimeter wide and 12 decimeter deep. Okay. So what is given for the canal? For the canal, width is given, correct? Breadth is equal to 30 decimeter. So everything can be converted into centimeter. So just to take there. Now decimeter is here. If we have to convert decimeter into centimeter, what we have to do? We have to go up. How much? 1 step only. So it will be equal to 30 into 10, 300 centimeters. So base of the canal is 300 centimeter, and then 12 decimeter deep. Height is given 12 decimeter. Again convert into centimeter, that will be equal to 120 centimeter. Now here, what is the shape of the canal? Water in a canal 30, width is given, height is given, and is flowing with the velocity of 10 kilometer per hour. So length is also given. So canal is in the shape of a cuboid there. So is flowing with the velocity of 10 kilometer per hour, means length in 1 hour is equal to 10 kilometer. Now we will convert that kilometer into centimeter. So just to check there, kilometer into centimeter. So what will come there? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros equal to centimeter. Now what it is asked there? How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? So first, from the canal, we are using the water for irrigation there. And how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? So first we have to check what will be the water flows through the canal in 30 minutes. Okay, so this is the length in 1 hour is equal to, correct? So first here only we can write what will be the length in 1 minute. So just write length in 1 hour means that is 60 minutes there. Length in 60 minutes is equal to this much. Then what will be the length in 30 minutes? Length in 60 minutes is equal to this much. So length in 30 minutes will be equal to its half only. So we can write here 10 into 1 lakh by 2. So we will get here 5 lakh. Correct? Length. This is the length only. We haven't calculated the volume there. Now write down there volume in 30 minutes. Volume flows through the canal in, volume of water flows through the canal in 30 minutes is equal to length into breadth into height. So we will get here 300 into 120 into 5 lakh. Written. Now we know how much water we are taking from the canal. That water is going into an agriculture field there. Correct? And 8 centimeter of standing water is required. It is given there. So just imagine the agriculture field there. If you imagine an agriculture field, it will be in the shape of a cuboid there. And it is written 8 centimeter of standing water is needed there. 8 centimeter of standing water means that is the height. And how much area will it irrigate? This area we have to calculate. So that is base area. So base area into height will be equal to the volume in 30 minutes. So just write down there base area into height. How much it is given? 8 centimeter. Base area into 8 is equal to 300 into 120 into 5 lakh. Now base area will be equal to, we can just shift 8 to right hand side. So 300 into 120 into by 8. Now just to check if cancellation is possible, you can cancel it. 4 3s are 12, 0, 4 2s are 8. Here it will be equal to 15. Rest all the calculations I think you can do by yourself. And your answer, this is base area. So write down the answer in centimeter square. I think this question is clear. Okay. Now we'll check the next question. In the next question it is written, a farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 30 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 15 meter in diameter and 2 meter deep there. In how much time will the tank be filled there? So just to check there, first we have a pipe there, correct? And what is the radius of the pipe? A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 30 centimeter. So radius will be equal to 15 centimeter from a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field, which is 15 meter in diameter. So now here field, what is the shape of the field that we can check? 15 meter in diameter. So radius is equal to 15 by 2 meter, but here it is given in centimeter. So here we can convert into centimeter. So that will be equal to 15 by 2 into 100. So here it will get cancelled there. Then we will get here 15 5s are 75. 750 centimeter. Radius is equal to 750 centimeter and 2 meter deep. Height is equal to 2 meter, which will be equal to 200 centimeter. If the water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 kilometer per hour. So again, length in 1 hour or height in 1 hour is equal to 3 kilometer. So again we can convert kilometer into meter. So that centimeter. So 3 into 1000 into 100. So first if we are doing 3 into 1000 means it is converted into meter. Then again if we are doing 100 means it is converted into centimeter. Now what we are doing, from the pipe water is going in the field, and how much time will be taken there. So again directly we can write down the formula. Time taken is equal to volume of field divided by volume of pipe there. Volume of field, since base radius and height is given means that will be in the shape of a cylinder. So just to substitute the value pi r square. What is the radius? 750. So 750 into 750 into height is given here 200 by volume of pipe. So for the pipe radius, pi into radius is equal to 15. So 15 into 15 into height is written here 3 into 1000 into 100 there. Now just to do the cancellation, pi and pi will get cancelled here. 2 zeros will get cancelled. Then what will happen here? 1 0 cancel here. Here also one more 0 will get cancelled. Now we can cancel it. 15 5s are 75. 15 5s are 75. Then here 2 5s are 10. Here also 5 and 5 also will get cancelled. What is remaining here? 5 by 3 r. 5 by 3 r. If you want, you can convert in minutes. No problem there. Okay. So I hope this question is clear. Okay. Now we'll do the next question. Next, question number 10. In question number 10, it is written, the rainwater from a roof of dimensions 22 meter and 20 meter. So just to check here, a roof whose dimensions are given 22 meter into 20 meter drains into a cylindrical vessel. So whatever water is collected in the roof, we are dropping it into a cylindrical vessel having diameter of the base 2 meter. So for the cylinder diameter is equal to 2 meter. So radius will be equal to 1 meter and height 3.5 meter. Height is equal to 3.5 meter. If the rainwater collected from the roof just fills the cylindrical vessel, then find the rainfall in centimeter. Rainfall in centimeter means what? How we are calculating the rainfall? How much rainfall is there? Yes, what is the level rise? That is called the rainfall in centimeters. So here also, when you will collect the water in the roof, that will be in the shape of a cuboid there, correct? So volume of roof will be equal to volume of cylinder, and roof is in the shape of a cuboid. So just write directly there, volume of water in the roof is equal to volume of cylinder volume of water in the roof, so that will be equal to 22 into 20 into height we don't know. This is the height of rise in the roof there, not this height. Okay, so now here volume of cylinder pi into, so we can take pi is equal to 22 by 7 into what is the radius, 1 into 1 into height is 3.5. so now here if you have any doubt here 3.5 if confusion is there, here only you can remove the decimal, multiply it by 10. So now except h, rest all the things we can shift there, then it will be equal to 22 into 35 by, here 7 is there, 10 is there, 22 into 20 is also there. So I think rest all the things we wrote. Now just to check here, 22 and 22 will get cancelled. And then what are the things will get cancelled? 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Then here it will be equal to 5 ones are 5, 4s are, correct? So what we are getting here, 1 by 40 meter. So now if you have to convert into centimeter, what we have to do? Yes, we have to multiply it by 100. So we will get here 100 by 40 centimeters. So just to cancel it, 10 and 10 it will get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 5 by 2 centimeter, which will be equal to 2.5 centimeter. That everything you have to do if you don't want your answer in fraction. So I hope today's concepts are clear to you. Okay, so already I gave you the questions through WhatsApp, so you can do the questions, and in case of any doubt you can ask. Thank you.